They
Okay,
have
but
given
I
this
feel that
reason.
we are on the plane, however, we are in the bus. But I can be
Yeah.
completely wrong because when you get old and retire, the company pays you.
Salary,
No.
pension. Sorry.
Hello, Mr. Shahid.
Yes. Hello, ma'am. Hi. Can you hear me?
Of course, I can hear you loud and clear.
Nice. And I'm a visible.
You are visible? My goodness, look at that beautiful countenance of yours.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for approval. Yeah.
Oh, approval? No, no. Why were you seeking my approval in the first place?
Yeah. Okay.
So,
So how are you, ma'am?
well, I'm a little thirsty. I have been, before my classes, I was exercising, so I'm thirsty. I have already had like 500 ml of water, yet it's not enough. So, a little.
So I
Yeah.
think you should have water then.
I have to go all the way to my kitchen.
Oh, so your kitchen far away from your where you're sitting?
Yes, it is.
All right, all right. So after 15 minutes, I think you will not have.
I'll march to my kitchen. I'll march to my kitchen, okay?
All right, ma'am. Okay. And how was your day, ma'am?
Ugh, I missed one session, so it was not good. I generally don't miss sessions, so I was so sleepy.
Okay, okay. You are feeling sleepy today. Okay.
No, I felt sleepy at that time.
Okay,
So,
you felt sleepy. All right.
yeah, so I slept and then I woke up after half an hour, and by that time, session was gone. So, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, I have some question about actually. I post one content on YouTube. Okay, ma'am. So I have written there. Uh, I am in the metro and
You
I'm
are where?
on the. I have written there. I have posted there on my
Huh.
YouTube. I,
Uh-huh.
I'm in the metro, and second sentence I have written there. I'm on the metro.
Mad group. What's a mad
N-
group?
n- Not metro, ma'am. Metro.
No, sorry.
You don't know metro is for traveling purpose. We use in
I'm
Delhi
sorry.
is
I
available
have no idea.
metro. Okay, let it be. So suppose my question is that suppose I am in the bus, we say is it right, or I am on the bus, we say is it right?
I'm in the bus with Sid.
Yeah, there's two sentence, ma'am. I'm in the bus. Only I'm just saying to you, I'm in the bus. Is it right sentence, or I'm on the bus? Is it right sentence? Because
I'm
as
in
far
the
as you
bus.
know,
For
I,
vehicle,
I
it is used in. However, sometimes on is
yeah,
also used. Yes, you have to
yeah.
see your prepositions. Yes.
Yes, yes. So just like you said, in the bus is right, but many teachers they says I don't know.
On the
There's
bus.
yeah, on the bus, and they
I
have
think it is
given
on the plane, but I think so.
yeah,
It's in the bus.
yeah, yeah.
I think
Let
so.
yeah let me tell you, ma'am, why they are saying to on the bus or on the plane on the uh yeah, on the bus. Yeah. So actually they have given an example. They have given example. Suppose I'm on the bus. On the bus we can walk, we can stand, we can move our body.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Correct, correct.
And on the plane also we can move.
Yeah, we can
So
navigate. Yes.
so they have given this example. So
Okay.
they
Okay,
have
but
given
I
this
feel that
reason.
we are on the plane, however, we are in the bus. But I can be
Yeah.
completely wrong because prepositions are my weak point, trust me, and I have learned that I have
Yeah.
forgotten them, so I can be completely wrong. Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, many teachers both think they says. So majority people where I have posted this, this content. So 87, 70% I got result. I'm in the bus is right.
Huh.
Okay, but
Okay.
on 10% says I'm on the bus is right.
Okay. Okay. Maybe
So
look, it could be contextual as well. As much as
yeah,
I googled and saw like if the bus is moving, it is on the bus. All right. If it
hmm,
is not moving, then it is in the bus. If it is stationary. All right.
yeah,
So yes, it is a confusing thing. But as far
yeah.
as my knowledge goes, in the bus would I always use in the bus in the metro. However, it is on the plane. I'm sorry, I was on the plane, not in the plane. All right. However,
Okay.
even in the plane is not wrong at the same time. Okay. It is
Yeah.
not welcomed, but it is not wrong.
Yeah,
Okay.
but in use, I think I have known about in we use in closed area where you if suppose there's a enclosed area you can't there's no space, so in that time we
Escape.
can use yeah, suppose in the car or
Yes.
in the uh, taxi, in that time we use in. So here we have reason because in taxi we can't move, in truck also we can't move.
In
Okay,
what we can't move? In
truck,
what? In a
truck.
truck.
In a
Truck.
truck,
Not truck.
yes. Okay, truck. Okay, so in
Truck. What the heck? Truck. Come on. Shahid, you're
okay.
running a YouTube channel. Truck.
All right. Yeah, truck. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Is it?
Truck.
Is it wrong?
Not tarak. Why are you saying tarak? It's
Say
truck.
again one more time, ma'am.
Truck. Trr.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Truck.
Do this. No. Do trr. Do trr.
Okay. Uh, truck.
Now do
Where
motor.
we
Do motor.
okay.
Say motor.
Mm,
Say
motor.
motor.
Yeah.
Good. Now the last R, I want you to make it sound really forceful, like trrr, motor. Say this.
Truck. Is
Acha,
it?
you can't do that. You can't do like you cannot flap your tongue from, like inside. Trrr, like this
Okay.
vibration. I need you to do this.
Okay, no problem. After session, ma'am, I will practice about this thing. Truck.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's get
So
back to the
so
preposition. Yes.
yeah. So my question is that in the car we say in the car
Mhm.
because there's no space, right, ma'am? We can't move there. So
Yes.
and on the bus, on the plane, we can move our body. We can walk there. We can running there also. So
Okay.
that is a behind
That is the
reason.
hint. That is the hint.
Yeah,
The
yeah. Some
prepositions
people
do not come with logic, unfortunately.
okay,
Okay. Yes, they do
all
not come
right,
with logic. However, these are the little hints that are put to the sentence so that it is easy for you to guess. Okay.
mm,
And
yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, he is. Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. No, no, you go ahead. Please go ahead.
So yeah, so according to you, Miss, which is right and which is wrong? Yeah.
I would use on for a plane. I would use in for a bus.
So why you are using on the plane?
Oh, because I have learned it that way. Okay. I'm
Okay,
on the
so
plane. And I'm not talking about my physical appearance in the plane. I'm talking about the plane's appearance in the sky, to be honest. So it is on the sky. It is on like a layer of sky. So that's how I do it.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
That's the
okay,
thing. Yes.
okay.
So
So
yeah.
yeah, okay, then we have closed this topic from here. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Coming to the lesson, I want to do one thing with you, one exercise with you. All right, may I?
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Before you go into your document, ma'am, I just want to. I have
No,
one
not a
game.
document. Not a
Okay,
document. I have a game. You wait with your game. You connect with me on the next class. We'll play your
okay,
game next time. Okay. This is
okay.
my games are in the making. So please let me practice on lab rats.
All that,
Okay.
ma'am. All.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So the hint is pet. All right. I'm going to give you a sentence. All right. The answer to it will start from pet. All right. I
Okay,
need you to
okay.
guess the word.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's give you the easy one. Uh,
Can you give me
this,
example first? Just like,
no, no,
please give me
you'll be able to
example.
guess. Wait,
Okay, okay.
wait. Okay. Now there is a cycle. What is that thing on the cycle that you use to move it? Move it. All right. What is
Mhm.
that thing called? Ped,
Paddle, paddle,
pedal, not paddle, pedal. All
paddle.
right.
Okay. Mhm.
Pedal. Now you got the hint. The thing
Okay.
which you use on the bicycle to move it forward is pedal. Okay,
Paddle.
so the
Yes.
word is pet. So the hint is pet. Okay. The doctor of the children is called
Mm, mm, the doctor
children's
children.
doctor
So
is called.
patience,
Hmm?
patience.
No,
Patient.
the children's doctor, not the patients.
Okay.
Patients, no.
Come again, ma'am. Sorry. Come again.
The doctor of the children.
Mm-hmm.
What is it called? Who is that person called? For example, the doctor of the old people is called. Okay, I'll not give you a hint. Otherwise, you'll be able to guess it. Okay.
The doctor is called doctor of called
The
children.
children is called pediatrician.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Pediatrician. Okay.
Okay. A child sex offender is called.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Mm, okay. When the women go for a feet spa, what is it called? For a foot spa, manicure
Sleep.
and
Sleeper.
huh? No, for a foot
No.
spa, a foot massage is called.
Uh,
You know
but
this word. Everybody knows this word. Manicure and
yes.
manicure is the spa of the hand. All
Okay.
right.
Mm-hmm.
And the same thing is of the feet is called
Uh, back.
pedicure. Pedicure.
Pedicure.
Have you heard of
Okay.
this word? Pedicure?
No. No, I haven't heard.
Okay.
Pedicure. I have heard it, but I don't know means.
Have you heard of pediatrician? Pediatrician?
Yeah, I have heard it. Pediatrician. Yes.
Okay. Uh,
Mhm.
a child sex offender is called a pedophile, by the way.
Okay.
Pedophile. Phile means love. All right.
Okay.
Pedo means child, a
Mm-hmm.
boy specifically.
Okay.
Child
All
sex
right.
offender is called a pedophile. Okay.
Okay.
Whew. I'll do another exercise with you. This exercise has gone a waste. I'll do another exercise with you. Let's see whether you're
Okay.
able
Yeah.
to guess work in that. Okay, basically, these are the synonyms of money. All right.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Synonyms of money where you have to guess. Okay, I'll do. For example, when you go and submit money to the school, what is it called?
Fees.
Correct, fees.
Yeah.
When you
Yes.
get old, and retire, the company pays you
Salary.
no
Pension. Sorry.
pension. Pension.
Yes.
What is
Yes.
salary? When you get paid monthly, what is
Yes.
it called?
Absolutely. Salary.
Correct.
Yes.
A person who earns daily is called,
Hmm.
what is that word called? If I pay a person daily,
Duty. Oh,
wage,
okay.
wage,
Wage.
wage. Correct. Daily
What does it
wage
mean? Wage?
workers. Daily wage workers. Have you heard of this word?
No, I haven't heard it.
You haven't heard of daily wage workers? Okay,
No,
like all the
maybe I
laborers
know.
are on,
Maybe I know
like
in
the
Hindi, but I
laborers
don't
are
know
on.
in English.
What are you saying?
I was saying that, ma'am. Maybe I have heard, I know about Hindi,
You are not
but I
aware.
don't know about.
Actively
I'm not
aware.
aware. Yes. Yes.
Actively. That's okay. That's okay. Daily wage worker. All right. What is a
Daily
daily
wage.
wage worker? Laborers are daily wage workers.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Mhm.
If Clappingo pays me daily, then that means I'm a daily wage worker at Clappingo.
Okay.
Okay.
Daily wage worker. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you give money to the waiter, what is that money called? The money that you pay for the service to the waiter.
Tips.
Tip, not tips,
Yes.
tip. All right.
Okay.
When you get divorced, you have to pay your wife
Uh,
and
uh, Dory. What?
that's what you charge. That's what you ask your wife. You are
Okay.
yeah, dowry and it's a
Uh,
crime.
ma-
It's a crime. Dowry is a crime, but dat is a
Absolutely.
duty. Dowry is a
Mhm.
crime, but that word dash is a duty. What is it
Uh,
called?
um,
Alimony. Alimony.
Almini.
When you
Okay.
get divorced, you have to pay your wife a sum of rupees. All right, that
Okay.
sum of rupees is called alimony, a sum of money, not
Almini.
a sum of rupees,
Sum of
sorry, a sum of money. All
money.
right,
Almani.
yes,
Okay.
correct.
Mhm.
The money that you pay to the government, what is it called?
Fees also, right?
If you
If I
start to
will.
earn money and then you have to pay a dash on your income. What is that thing called? It's a 3-letter word.
Uh,
Tax.
uh,
Tax.
tax. Okay. Okay. I will pay the government, na, ma'am. Yeah.
Why will the government pay you tax? Why are you? Who is this government paying you tax? Why is this government paying you tax? Anyway, so
Yeah.
Mr. Shahid, that's how you
Yes.
increase your vocabulary. Oh God, that is the thing that I'm worried about. That when people come to me with vocabulary problems because they are not learning it in context, they are not
Yes.
learning the root, they are not learning
Yes.
the etymology. They have to
Yes.
learn the synonyms, how synonyms can completely change the meaning. How, like,
Absolutely.
alimony is completely different from tax. Tax is completely different from tip. Tip is completely different from fees. However, they come from the same family. When you pay a certain amount of money, that's how it
Absolutely.
happens.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
that's why this exercise is in the making, and I have to hit it. I have to make my own exercise, so I have to see things.
Great. Good, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
So,
So time has come to an end.
it's okay, ma'am. I have learned two things. I have learned it, Almani and wage of worker, right?
Alimony,
And
not almany.
okay, Almani. Is it?
No, alimony. Money,
Almani.
alimony.
Almoni. Yeah. Is it? Oh
I
no.
will have to take 2, 3 extra classes for your vocabulary and your pronunciation. I will do it in like intense.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Next time we will talk
Yeah.
about pronunciation only.
Overhauling. Complete overhauling needs to take place.
All right, ma'am. All right. And you don't use, ma'am, very advanced vocabulary you are using, ma'am.
Why? I will. I will make sure that your ears are, burning with fire and with words
You
and
have
everything.
to use a simple, simple word. So then we will get to know.